everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to open up a bag of stuff I got from Macy's. So let's see, what did I order? I've been trying to stock up a little bit on some clothes and stuff for myself. Okay, trash bag. All right, I'll just pull one thing over at a time. So this first thing is some brushed leggings, and I didn't see a invoice or an invoice, but these are brushed seamless leggings, and they are like, oh, they're so cozy. They're lined. They are very nice, and these are in the size large, extra large, which means they are 14 to 18. So I think that these could probably fit me, if not right now, very soon, because I am in an 18 at this moment. So that is nice. So I'm going to leave everything in its paper and in its packaging in case I can't wear it for whatever reason. I'm hoping in case it's too small, actually, because, or in case it's too big, actually, because I am, you know, working on going down in sizes. Look at those shoes. Those are so cute. So anyway, I got those. I'm hoping that there's an invoice in here so I can tell you how much everything was. Oh, I found an invoice. It only has 2 things in it, but this is in there. So this was $8.82. And that's before any other discount, because I feel like it was a bigger discount than that. I don't know, we'll see. So it was $18 and it was $8.82. So if that's the only discount, then that's still pretty darn good. Seems like there's one more, or there should be one more invoice, but I don't see one, because that only has 2 items on it, and there's more than 2 items here. So here is another pair of leggings, it looks like, or maybe these are tights. Yeah, these are tights. And they have just kind of a diamond-y pattern, but they're cute, and I thought that those would fit me next year even. I may have bought a size, these are pretty small. These are a size 1. So yeah, I don't know. These might be too small for me. If they are, I could probably let my daughter use them, but that's okay. So I did say that I am a size 18 now, and these are a size 16. So I wanted to get some things while they were on sale that I could like shrink into. I was going to say grow into, but that's kind of not the way to say it. So these are ankle pants, mid-rise. They were originally $50. They have nice zippered pockets here on the side. And they are pockets. They have pockets in the back. I think that is a real pocket. Nope, it's not. So they have fake pockets in the back. Oh, and one real pocket in the back, I think. Maybe they're both real pockets if I just open it up. Nope. Nope, they're both fake pockets. Bummer. Yep, both fake pockets. Not that I use my back pockets for much, but... And then they have zippers at the ankles, which makes me laugh because when I was young, that's what I loved. Jeans with zippers at the ankles. And these are, I think that they just go to your, like they're a little bit capri-y. I don't know. I could be wrong. They're by Artificial Femme, deep black, Style & Company, ankle pants. So I guess they go to your ankles. So there's that. So very nice. Again, these won't fit me yet, but I'm going to keep them nice and with the tags on them. So hopefully I can wear them when the season is right. Okay, now this is kind of a stretch. And it's kind of fun. And it's kind of nervous. Do you guys see what size these are? These are Lexington denim in a size 8. Originally $69.50. I know that these were $13. And they are straight leg, tummy slimming pants. So these are like almost like jeans, but they've got this velvety pattern on it. Hopefully you guys can see those. It's really cute. And these are a size 8, which is not at all a size that I am used to seeing and thinking that this might be something that I can wear someday. They are a little bit stretchy, which is nice. But this is what I'm calling my goal right now. This is what I would like to be able to wear. So I got those just as an incentive. I'm going to put them in my closet, and I'm going to have them so that I can see them and know that this is the size I'm working toward and hopefully can be. So that is what I got these for, and I'm smiling talking about it because I'm pretty excited about it. Just even though I'm nowhere near it right now, I'm working toward this. So there's that. I also have this that's probably going to be a work toward as well, because I can wear some extra larges, but this is a large, and I don't think I can probably wear this yet. And I don't remember if it's a shirt or it's a shirt. Okay, so this is a blouse. It's beautiful. It's got these beautiful flowers on it. That's right, I was showing my friends Tracy and Janie, and neither one of them particularly cared for this one. Janie said she liked it all right. Tracy didn't really like it, but I love it. And you know what? I'm going to be the one that's wearing it. So, and I bet they'd like it if they saw it in person, because it is beautiful. It is really pretty. Maybe it's grandma-y. I don't know. See, I don't even know. So it's going to be so much different going from wearing things just because they fit me to wearing things that I really actually love and can pick out and and you know, like do myself, like actually be myself. So I don't know, but this really looks cute to me. And this is the back, so that's neat. I didn't know that before. So the back kind of has this cool little thing that opens like that, which makes it a little less grandma-y looking to me, I think. So that's the back. And then the front is obviously this. And I think it's gorgeous, and I think it will be nice for when the fall comes around, and hopefully I can wear it by then. And it's $69.50, you know, but I know that I spent like $24.99, and then I had an extra 20% off or something. So all of these clothes that I'm showing you, I spent a total of about $100 on. So I got, I think, a really good deal, because I'm not even close to being done yet. Well, I guess I'm close, but not that close. These are an extra large, and these are leggings, and look at how cute these are. These have this embroidered flower on the side. Now I would not wear those together to make it too flowery, but I think that's really pretty. I like that. And you know, I have an embroidery machine, and I could easily do something like this myself to a pair of leggings that I like, I guess. But the amount that I think that these were literally like $10. And these I did get in an extra large, and looking at the size, I may be able to wear them now, but I'm not sure. I may have to still grow into them. I mean, looking at it, it looks like it's iffy. And these say that they were $34.50. It has fake pockets. Not fake pockets in the back, just no pockets, but they're leggings. So, you know, I wouldn't have it so people can see the pockets anyway, because with my leggings, I like to wear long shirts, but I think these are really cute with the embroidery, so yay. And two more things. This is a size 16, and these are navy, which is not usually the color that I would pick. That's interesting. And these are an ultra skinny leg, Style & Company, regularly $50. The only reason I can think that I got such a dark, maybe I thought they were more like denim. I bet that's what I did. So I'm going either these were the only color they had in the style I liked, or now that I'm thinking about it, I think that these looked more like jeans to me, and so when I was looking at them, I wanted a darker jean, and I think that that's still okay. I mean, I still like it, so I'm good with it. They're more like dress pants though than they are jeans, but they are stretchy, and I am kind of liking that in this style. I think because I'm changing sizes, I'm liking the fact that I can wear smaller sizes earlier because of the stretch that some of them have. I mean, this is a lot of stretch. So this is a size 16. The back pocket is for real. The front pocket is for real. Has the double button closure. But yeah, so I'm kind of excited. I'm going to have to try those on maybe in the next couple of weeks. That would be something I could wear to work because, you know, I don't wear shorts or anything to work. I don't usually wear shorts anyway, but capris, and I don't usually wear those to work unless it's Friday. And then, so this is the last thing I got. This is so soft, and it is a size large, and it's $40. And I really was on the fence about this one. I remember looking at it, and now that I'm looking at it again, I'm going, gosh, I'm glad I got it. Because it's not something I'd normally pick. I love the fabric, but look how the bottom is. It like comes to a point. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. It comes to a point in the front and in the back. And I don't know, I was really on the fence about it. And a large was the only size that they had in this color, and this was the only color that I liked. The other color was maybe brown or something. I don't know. It wasn't a color that I liked to wear, at least not as a top. And I do love this kind of collar, whatever that is, like a turtleneck, whatever they call that. And then it has long sleeves, and this is going to be kind of warm, so this is going to have to hopefully fit me in the fall. It does have some stretch to it, but you know, I don't want my shirts tight. You want them to fit right. So I don't know, this may be too big for me in the fall. I'm hoping so, but if it's not, and you know, I don't care if some things like this are too big on me, really. I think that, I mean, even if it depends. I mean, it's a large. It's not, so I think I did all right. Now that I'm talking myself into it, I think that I did all right. Because if I'm a size 8, let's say, that is usually about a medium. And if I have a large sweater or something like that, I think that will be just fine. I'm not going to complain about that. So that is my Macy's haul. I hope that you all like it. So I got one pair of, let's call them pants, two shirts, 3 pants, 4 pants, a pair of tights, and a pair of leggings. So let's say 5 pants, tights, and 2 shirts for $100. I think I did pretty good. So that's my Macy's haul. Thanks, guys. Hope you guys can find something good for you too. Bye-bye.